Good morning, children. Children, in our last class, we had done checking subtraction using addition, and you came to know that we can find our minuend by adding subtrahend and difference. So, minuend equals to subtrahend plus difference, and we had done exercise 3D, question number 1. I hope you understood. Now, children, today we will move to our next question number 2. Open your page number 63. Children, here you have to subtract 5213 from 6000. That is subtracting from zeros. Okay, now let's solve it. So children, when we have to subtracting from zeros, so first of all you regroup this 1000. So this 6 becomes your 5 and this 0 becomes your 10. Now again regroup your this 100. It becomes your 9 and this becomes your 10. Again you regroup your tens. So this 10 becomes your 9 and this 0 becomes your 10. Finally you will subtract 10 and 3. So 10 minus 3 is your 7. 9 minus 1 is your 8. 9 minus 2 is your 7. And 5 minus 5 is your 0. So answer is 787. So when you are subtracting from zeros, you have to regroup the thousands first. Then hundreds, then tens. Clear? Now children, moving to question number B. Again here you have to subtract 3557 from this 8000. So again children, you are subtracting from zeros. So what will you do? You will regroup these thousands first. So this 8 becomes your 7 and this 0 becomes your 10. Now again regroup your this 100. It becomes your 9 and this 0 becomes your 10. Again regroup this tens. It becomes your 9 and this 0 becomes your 10. Now 10 minus 7 will be your 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. And 7 minus 3 again your 4. So answer is 4443. Okay. I hope you are getting how we are solving it. In question number C, you have to subtract 979 from 7010. Here all are not zeros. Okay. So you will solve one by one. Now subtraction under ones. Here 9 you have to subtract from this 0, not possible. So 0 will borrow from this 1. 1 becomes your, yes, 0. And this 0 becomes your 10. Now 10 minus 9 becomes 1. Now children, you may see you have to subtract here 7 from this 0. Here also 0. So you will regroup. Okay. So what will you do? Regroup this 1000. It becomes your 6. And this 0 becomes your 10. Now regroup your hundreds. This 10 becomes your 9 and this 0 becomes your 10. Clear? Now children, 10 minus 7 is your 3, 9 minus 9 is your 0 and 6 is your 6. So our answer is 6031. Clear children? In the similar way children, you will solve all these questions in your copy. Now moving to question number 3. Find the difference and check your answer using addition. First of all, you will subtract and you will check your answer also by addition. I can show you here. Look at the question number A. You have to subtract 763 from this 952. Now look at here children. Arrange all the numbers under the columns. Here children, you have to subtract under the ones column 2 and 3. It's not possible because 2 is smaller than 3, no? So 2 will borrow from this 5. So 5 becomes what? Very good, 4. And this 2 becomes your 12. Now 12 minus 3 is your, tell me what? Yes, 9. Now here 4 minus 6 not possible because 4 is smaller than your 6. Now again it will borrow from this 9. 9 becomes your 8. 4 becomes 14. Now 14 minus 6 will be your 8 and 8 minus 7 is your 1. So our subtraction is, our difference is 189. I hope it is clear. So children, this number is our minuend, 763 is our subtrahend and this is our difference. Now for checking, what will you do? Yes, you will add these two, subtrahend and difference, and you will get this minuend. So now let's check your difference. So children, you add your difference and subtrahend. Our difference is 189 and our subtrahend is 763. Okay. Now do addition. 9 plus 3 is your 12. So 2 and here carry 1. Now 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 6 that is your 15. So 5. Now carried again 1. Now again 1 plus 1 plus 7 that is your 9. It is your 952. Now children, you just match. This 952 is our minuend, isn't it? So on adding we are getting the minuend back. Means our subtraction is correct. So this is your checked. Clear? I hope you are getting, children. Moving to question number D. Here you have to subtract 3984 and 2193. Arrange numbers under the place value columns. Now children, you have to subtract under the ones column 4 minus 3. It's possible because 4 is greater than your 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 8 minus 5, 9, not possible. So 8 will borrow from this 9. 9 becomes your 8. This 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is your 9. 8 minus 1, 7. 3 minus 2 is your 1. So this is our minuend. This is our subtrahend. And this is our difference. Now children, we will do checking, okay? So for checking, what will you do? You will add these two, subtrahend and difference, okay? You will add. And finally, you will get this minuend. So let's do it, children. For checking, you write here checking. And first of all, you write the difference. That is your 1791. Now you write your subtrahend, that is 2193. Now we will do addition. 3 plus 1, 4. 9 plus 9, 18. 8 carried 1. 7 plus 2, 9. 2, 1, 3. So it's your 3984. Now children, you just match. 3984 is your minuend, isn't it? So finally children, what we are getting? We are getting our minuend back. I hope it is clear. It was our difference right here. It is our difference. This is our subtrahend right here. And on addition, you are getting this minuend. Clear? So this is also correct. This subtraction is also correct. So children, in the same way, you will solve B and C number also. So children, your homework is solve this question number 2 and question number 3, page number 63 in your copy. Thank you children. Have a nice day.